Christmas trees alone. They need raindrops. Raindrops can't grow Christmas trees. Here's the reason why. In the winter rain will freeze and the trees will die. Do you know how Christmas trees are grown? They need sunshine and raindrops, friendship and kindness, and most of all, they need love. Do you know how Santa gets around? He needs snowflakes. Snowflakes cannot do it all, I found. He needs reindeer. Reindeer, even though they try, they need other things. Once a year they have to fly, and they don't have wings. Do you know how Santa gets around? He needs snowflakes and reindeer, sunshine and raindrops, friendship and kindness, and most of all, he needs love. Do you know how Christmas cards are made? They need pictures. Pictures can't complete them, I'm afraid. They need greetings. Greetings say what's in your heart, that's what they are for. But when loved ones are apart, Christmas cards need more. Do you know how Christmas cards are made? They need pictures and greetings, sunshine and raindrops, snowflakes and reindeer, friendship and kindness.
And most of all, they need love.
They need love. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Maybe I can go for lead vocal. Shall I email Warren? Let him know that Kirsty's out of a gig. Kerry's out of a gig even. Where did I get Kirsty from? I haven't got it written down. Oh well. Turn this fucking thing off. Turn off. Turn off. Stop it. Stop it.